Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making tandoori fish. Low in calorie weight loss recipe. Yogurt 2 tablespoon. Paprika powder 2 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Tandoori masala 1 tablespoon optional. Kasuri methi 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Fish 300 grams. Marinate fish for 20 minutes. Apply masala on both sides. Grill the fish for 20 minutes on 170 degrees. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Weight loss recipe is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.